Welcome to the FilyIQ English channel. Follow for more fun and easy English learning videos. Come spend the night with me. My relaxing night routine. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I remove my makeup. I remove my makeup. I use face wash. I use face wash. I use a toner. I use a toner. I put on serum. I put on serum. I put on face mask. I put on face mask. I put on moisturizer. I put on moisturizer. I put on lip balm. I put on lip balm. I study at night. I study at night. I drink warm milk. I drink warm milk. I do homework. I do homework. I listen to rain sound. I listen to rain sound. I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow. I turn on the fan. I turn on the fan. I scroll TikTok. I scroll TikTok. I watch Netflix. I watch Netflix. I meditate for 5 minutes. I meditate for 5 minutes. I stretch before bed. I stretch before bed. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.